So my OEM horn finally broke down, and I decided to get Fiam horn from Amazon, which was only under 20 bucks. The OEM horn was not loud enough anyway. It was really pathetic. So it was time to change. It's very easy swap. I didn't even have to read the instructions. It's just two wires, one screw, just unscrew the nut right there, and the two wires plugs in into the new horn, and no cutting or splicing or anything of that was necessary. So I think the nut needs like 11 millimeter, but I couldn't find my wrench, so I used 7/16, barely grabbing it, but I was able to unscrew it with my fingers after loosening it up. Once the old one is out, those two wires, just unclip it, and this old ones normally cost about $7 on eBay, but it wasn't even worth getting that. The only thing is that nut for the new horn, the stud where the nut screws in is shorter than the factory horn. So I had to use the clamp that came with Fiam to install that horn there. Now I'm trying to face the horn so that the debris from the road does not get in there, or not facing it too high up so the rain will go in there. So just facing it way out to the left so that the horn will be heard, nothing blocking it, and also no debris or rain getting into it. And now I'm just clipping the two wires, which is very easy, no splicing or cutting of the wires necessary. It's a really nice horn. Get it, replace your OEM horn.